Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the start of the moving in vlogs. So I'm currently sat in my little dressing room, wardrobe room, whatever you want to call this. This is literally like a little box room. It's very small, but I've got my wardrobe which has already been built thanks to my boyfriend. But now I've got the task of building my dressing table. So I've got everything ready. I hope I've got all the tools. I've got my big cup. Also, how cute is this cup? I got it from New York, which I didn't vlog anything because I completely forgot and I was just so in love with New York. I just wanted to enjoy the moment. But yeah, I got this stunning cup. It's literally the size of my head. Let's build this desk. Okay, so I got everything out of the box. I got my instructions and I'm hoping that this is going to be either really easy and I can do it all on my own, or I'm literally just going to embarrass myself and I'm going to need my boyfriend to finish this for me. We're making progress, but I'm only on step 3 out of 11 and I've only had to call my boyfriend and my best friend once. So we're doing great. We're doing great. But these are the most confusing instructions I have ever come across. I honestly don't understand how some of this is supposed to align, and it doesn't help that I've only got a screwdriver. I don't have a drill, so this has taken twice as long. Honestly, if I had a drill, I would have been fine. Okay, so today is Monday and I spent all of Sunday just unpacking my suitcases. I'm actually doing really well. I'm pretty much all moved in. I've started to like unpack everything into my wardrobe. It's looking somewhat full, but I'm actually really happy with how much space I've got. So I've got my tops in here. This is going to be my jewellery, which I haven't bought down yet. But yeah, I've still got a few more loads of suitcases to do. But I'm really happy with the progress so far. But yeah, here's the finished desk. I ended up having my best friend and my boyfriend help me to build it because honestly I just couldn't do it on my own and it was quite tricky to do it, so the instructions were really confusing. But yeah, it's got one long drawer for my makeup, and yeah, I'm not sure if I've mentioned, but this is from John Lewis. It's very similar to the Ikea ones, but the Ikea ones were just way too long for the space that I needed it for. And I've got this little nook which I'm just gonna have like a little tall chest of drawers in here that I can just, you know, slide in and out of. Obviously very limited on space in this corner, but yeah, I'm just really happy with how it looks so far. Let's build my chair now. Not gonna lie, the instructions look so easy, so I'm hoping this is gonna take us like literally 10 minutes. So here we have the finished chair, and honestly I'm so obsessed with it. It's such a nice colour. So this is from barstools.co.uk. I'm pretty sure they had loads more colours. I'm going to link them down below because I'm honestly so impressed with the quality. It's so nice and the colour is honestly insane. I was looking at other chairs that were more of like a blush sort of pink or rosy sort of colour, but they were like over £150. I was like, I'm not paying that much money for a chair, and I'm really happy with the size of it because I was a little bit worried that it wasn't going to fit with like my wardrobe being open. Because of the size I couldn't get sliding doors, which was really annoying, but yeah, I can still open it perfectly fine. I can still get in this area, but yeah, this room is starting to look a little bit more put together. All I have left to do is add some prints on the wall and get a blind, shutters, whatever, and like a little chest of drawers for more storage area for like my makeup, hair accessories. And yeah, I might add like a little rug, add some plants. Obviously I still need to add all my makeup into this, some organisers. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this is looking so far. So I went to Ikea the other week because I felt like my little wardrobe room was missing some storage. So I ended up picking up a bookcase. This is the one I picked, so let's just build it together. Ikea stuff is pretty easy to build, so this shouldn't take us too long. She's up. I built her myself with no help. Now we need to add the shelves. She is all finished, and I've actually missed one step, which was putting like the back nails that go along one of the shelves. And obviously I've measured it wrong, so it is a little bit damaged here, here, and then here. But yeah, apart from that, she's looking good. Obviously, I'm not worrying about that because I'm going to cover it with stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this only took me like 45 minutes, so I'm getting better. She doesn't fit.
Will it fit?
It will fit, but...
Oh, so it just needs to be picked up.
I'm gonna say they fall out. The only one you can hold is this one.
Yeah? Yeah. I was getting a bit panicky.
Do you wanna wait?
Hi, I always broke it.
I look like a mess right now, but I ordered some prints of Desenio. This is not a sponsored ad, although I wish it was because I love the prints. But yeah, I picked up some prints for my room for this wall because it looks very plain, and I just wanted to add a little bit more colour to it. So my main colour for my room is obviously pink. You can't really tell, but like few of my stuff is pink. And then my secondary colour is orange because I think pink and orange go really well together. So my first print I picked up is this one that just says Ibiza. So it's got like hints of like sort of orangey red with a little bit of yellow. And then this one is kind of cringy because it says good vibes only, but I just really liked the colour scheme of it. Again, it's got the pinks and the oranges. And then as my main sort of piece, I've just gone for this sort of abstract. It's not even abstract. It's just like a watercolour painting. But you've got your light pinks, yellows and oranges. So that's my biggest one. And then also for my old room at my mum and dad's house, I have this Prada print, which is also from Desenio. These are the frames I picked up. These ones are from Ikea. They're really nice because they're really like slim, and they've got like a really skinny border around it. So I'm going to add these prints into these frames, and then I'm just going to figure out a layout of how I want to have it on the wall. Here's the prints in the frames, and I'm really happy with the choices I've picked because I feel like the colours complement each other really, really well. But now I'm thinking of layout. I'm not really sure if that looks good, just because you've got like two big ones, two small ones. I don't know if that looks good. I'm sort of thinking to either buy a fifth print of like a small size, this sort of size, so I've got a little bit more like to play around with, or I just have those three, sort of something like this on the wall, and then have this one somewhere else. Okay, I've just realised I've never showed you guys my finished bookcase. I'm not really finished with decorating it. I'm not really sure what I want at the bottom especially, and ignore the Aces bag. But here's what I came up with so far. I've got my book tote, I've got some fashion books, pineapple plant, more fashion books, some of my bags, Louis Vuitton boxes, pink sort of storage boxes, more boxes with like paperwork in it, but here's what I've got so far. Yeah, I don't mind the top bit. I think these two bits are my favourite. I quite like this bit, but at the moment I've just kind of put my bags there. But not sure what to do with the bottom because I was looking for pink storage boxes that have lids on them so it doesn't look as cluttered. But this is the closest thing I found, and that's from Desenio. But I might add a little bit more plants. I've got these 2 plants. Unfortunately, I had to remove my other plant from here because it was dying. So I might move one of them here, just to add a little bit more colour so it's not like pink and orange. But yeah, I don't know. Help. It's been a while since I've last done an update on my wardrobe room, so might as well show you how everything has turned out. So here's like a quick little overview. So this is what you first see when you walk in. Obviously we've got my desk and my lovely pink chair, and on my desk I've just got like my skincare and my brushes. Obviously we've got my makeup drawers, which are not very organised, but I know where everything is. We've got my mirror, which lights up. There you go. That's from HomeSense. And I've got this cute little note from my boyfriend which says, "Nat, you're really cute," to remind me every day. And then I've got a bookcase, which I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. So I've got my Dior book tote at the top. And I've got some like fashion books, pineapple. I've got my dream car, like a remote control car from HomeSense. A candle, my poor orchid, which has sadly died because I always forget to water it. And then moving on, we've got more fashion books, a Chanel bag, this cute little teddy from HomeSense. Then we've got Louis Vuitton boxes and the Chanel box. And then we've got cluttered mess. I've got my old work bag, which I actually need to put that away, and then I've got like cables. I wish I had lids for them, but whatever. And I've got some parcels I need to return, and then I still haven't done the windowsill. That's still a work in progress. Sadly my plant has died. Look how sad that is. This one's still thriving though, but yeah, need to do my windowsill. Still haven't got blinds for the window, but here's the prints on the wall. I've just decided to go for the 3 of them. Why does that look wonky? Are they wonky? Oh my god. But yeah, I've just decided to go for the 3 of them, and I've just put the Prada one in the landing. For now, I might get some more just to kind of add more stuff to the wall, because this wall is quite plain. And I've just got these 3 ones. But yeah, and then yeah, I've got my big wardrobe, and I've got some boxes at the top. But yeah, here's the final, and obviously I've got my everyday work bag on the door handle. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a while like in the making, because I'm pretty sure I started filming this in July. And we are now in January, but I have been pretty bad with filming or like doing updates, and obviously I've been focusing on other stuff in the house. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.